Okay, we're going to look at a while loop, and this is a very similar setup to all the other loops in R. First I'm just going to set some initial conditions, so this isn't part of the loop. I'm going to make our x equal, set x as 4, and then we type in while, we open our brackets, and this is our conditions, and the R is going to repeat the statement we put after this conditions until these conditions are not satisfied anymore. Okay, so we are going to use a simple condition while x is less than, and we'll say 250. Now we open up again, like all loops, these curly brackets for our statement. Okay, like we don't open up square brackets or curly bracket. We go for these ones with the little point on the end. That's been the same for for loops and repeat loops. And I want to print x, and then on top of that, I want to reassign x to 4 times by x plus 3. Okay, so that's going to be my loop I'm going to do. So it's going to tell me what my value of x is to start with, then it's going to multiply it by 4 and add 3, and then print that, and then it's going to keep doing that until x is no longer less than 250. Okay, so you can see this is a relatively short loop because of the nature of it. We're multiplying by 4, but every time we multiply the bigger number. And 4 times 79 is already greater than 250. So 4 times 79 plus 3 is already greater than 250. So this loop breaks. Okay, but you can see we can get this to do lots of calculations if we assign y to 1, and we can go for a slightly more boring loop. While y is less than 77, we'll say, and I'm going to get it to print y, and then I'm going to reassign y to y plus 2. Okay, so it's pretty simple. We're just going to get essentially all the odd numbers up to 77 if you think about it, and that's exactly what happens. Well, we're not going to get 77 because we have to be strictly less than it, but yeah. And here we go. We can do much more complicated things with the while loops, but we will look into that in the future with combining loops together and actually some example case studies where these loops that we've looked at are actually useful. But for now, we're just introducing them, so hopefully you can see how the basic format of the while loop works. If you do have any questions about it, be sure to let me know down in the comments. But for now, that's it. For more R videos every Friday and maths videos every day of the week, be sure to subscribe to this channel, and I hope to see you in the next one.